Good morning, dear fans. I hope you are all doing great. As for me, I'm great. So in today's video, I will still talk about Facebook. It is a good app, but very dangerous too. So I'm going to show you how to prevent yourself from being monitored by Facebook into your daily activities. You know, all the application you are using into your phone, Facebook have the accessibility to monitor you, to monitor all what you are doing to those applications. So while showing you or while proceeding to the explanation, I'll be explaining. So for that, we are going to enter into our Facebook account. You enter into the menu. Into the menu, you are going to select setting and privacy. Into setting and privacy, we are going to select setting. Now into setting, we are going to choose the option of Facebook activity. Yeah. Here you will see that, as I was telling you before that, you are going to select more options, access your information. No, we are going to click here where there are many apps. Now here you are going to enter your password, which is very normal. So I'm going to enter my password for the explanation. Okay, here, as I was telling you, these are all the applications I'm having into my phone. So all what I'm doing to this application, it sends a notification, or it sends all what I'm doing into this app to the Facebook account. Why this? Those having this application, or the creators or the programmers of this application sign a contract with Facebook in order to send all the informations we are doing into these apps to Facebook. So when there are certain apps that before accessing, they ask you your name, your login, and all the like. All those information are being sent to Facebook. It may happen that you are using a fake username and password on Facebook. That is to hide yourself, because people usually does that to have to maybe insult a member of the government and do certain fake activities to Facebook in such a way that if Facebook wants to trace them, it will be very impossible. No, it is a fat lie. There are some information there are some applications that for you to really have access, you need to give your proper information. Maybe like your PayPal account. You can have a PayPal account or an application for banking. You know that is a personal information. Now you are obliged to enter your personal information to have access to that account. So if you have that app into your phone, and while accessing all what you are doing into that app, is going to send information to Facebook. So that will be that. Now to get out from this bullshit, I'm going to show you how to proceed. So this activity, first of all, before deactivating the Facebook monitoring, we are going to first of all clear all the history. Clear all this history first of all. So it is clearing. We are going to clear. As you see, it has been cleared. Now we go on back. Now on back, let me select the option again, please. On back, I'm to select the same option. A minute, please. I'm to enter into setting. As I've cleared, I'm to enter the off Facebook activity. Now into the off Facebook activity, you are no more going to see those options have cleared. Now what to do to prevent Facebook from monitoring us is to go on more options. So into more options, we are going to select manage future activity. Into manage future activity, we are going to click manage future activity again. Now here you have the possibility to click here. It is a simple click, you turn it off. There's future off Facebook activity. When you click it off, Facebook will now have a notification that you don't want this option. In fact, you see, and when you click here, you see that you are no more being monitored by Facebook, which is a good thing. I hope this video was a good one, and if it pleased you, don't forget to give me a blue hand, that is to like my video, to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and to click on the notification bell in order to have more videos as such. Thank you. Bye bye.